Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram email problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings first and now scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, now go to the storage. Here as you see we'll find this clear cache, click on it. Now you can go to check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone. If it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful when you clear data. All your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.